Brazil has been participating this at Sheiaman Stone Fair for almost 20 years. We have 20 companies this year that came from Brazil to join our Brazilian pavilion. Chinese market is extremely important for Brazil. This is the country that we have the most potential to grow in a near future. And we have been growing our business to China much more in a higher rate than any other country that we do business with. So we have a lot of confidence in the Chinese market. China has been growing, the economy is super strong, so we want to do more and more and collaborate with Chinese companies.
Our pavilion has brought to this fair this year 20 companies, and we are happy about this fair because for our companies this is the most important fair they attend. The Chinese market is for them very important. They have many cooperation here with many important Chinese companies, and we are confident that the Chinese market can grow again, and there will be more and more projects in China for our companies, so that I see a bright future for the Chinese market.